So our next topic is feet and claws of birds. So different birds will be having different types of feet and claws. So let us see them one by one. Okay. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. Birds have 2 feet with 4 toes on each. So if you see the birds children, birds will have 2 feet like we have 2 legs. In that feet, how many toes will be there in each feet? Means in one feet 4 toes will be there. Toes means what? Like we have our fingers. We are having 5 fingers, no? So birds will have 4. Okay, that is called as toes. The claws and feet help them to catch their food and also in walking, swimming, climbing and perching. Like we use our fingers, our legs, hands and all for various works, for doing various works. For we are using our legs for walking. Yes, we are using our hands and legs for swimming, climbing the tree and all. In the same way, birds are also using their feet and claws to catch their food. For example, to catch a fish from the water, to walk on the land and on through the water, to swim in the water, to climb up the trees, and perching. What is meant by perching? To rest on a branch. Okay, so when the birds are tired, okay, they will go and rest on the trees. So they have to hold the branches. For that they need feet and claws. So the first one is wading birds. So these birds have long thin legs which with spread out toes which help them to wade through muddy water and catch their prey. For example, crane and heron. So what does it mean by wade children? To walk in water. See this picture children. This is the long thin. Thin means what? Very lean. Okay, long thin legs and see their toes children. It is spread out, no, not like our fingers. Our fingers are close to each other, but see their toes, it is spread out. Yes, there are little gaps. Okay, and this type of feet are helping them to move in the muddy water and to catch the insects and fishes which is present in the water. So let us watch a video of a wading bird catching its prey. So the second type is perching birds. These birds have 3 long toes in the front and one at the back. Such type of feet help them to hold the branch of the trees firmly. Firmly means tightly, okay? For example, sparrow and crow. See this picture, children. The toes of the sparrow and crow, that means perching birds, look as it is given in this picture. 3 long toes will be present in the front side and 1 at the back. And these toes helps the bird to hold on to the branches or of the trees very firmly, means tightly. See this picture, children. The sparrow is holding its toes to the branches very tightly. Yes. The next one is scratching birds. Birds such as hen have 3 long toes in the front and a short one at the back of their feet with sharp, hard claws. Such toes help them to scratch the ground to find seeds and insects. See this picture, children. This is the feet of the hen, and can you see 3 long toes in the front and 1 short one at the back? Yes, and they are having sharp and hard claws. Claws means what? Like we have our nails. And these feet and toes are helping them to scratch and find the insects or seeds which is inside the leaves, soil and all. The next one is flesh-eating birds. These birds have sharp curved claws called talons, which help them to catch and hold onto their prey. For example, eagle and hawk. See this picture, children. This is the feet and toes of a flesh-eating bird. See the toes. It is very curved and they are having sharp nails, sharp claws, and that claws are called as talons. Okay, and with the help of these talons or claws they will catch the prey. Prey means what, children? Their food. See this picture. Climbing birds. These birds have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 toes pointing downwards, which help them to climb up and cling to the to the bark of trees, for example, parrot and woodpecker. See this picture, children. This is the feet of a climbing bird, woodpecker. So you can see 2 toes will be pointing towards the front side, that is upwards, and 2 toes will be pointing towards the downside. Okay, and such kind of toes are helping these kinds of climbing birds to climb up the tree and cling to the branches or cling to the bark of trees. What is meant by bark of trees? The outer covering of the tree. So with the help of these toes, they will hold tightly to the bark of the tree. Next is swimming birds. These birds have webbed feet. They have skin between the 3 front toes. There is 1 toe at the back. The feet act as oars and help to push backwater while swimming. For example, duck and swan. See this picture, children. This is the webbed feet of a duck, and can you see skin in between the three front toes, means three front fingers. There is skin present in between the fingers. And can you see one small one toe at the back? So this webbed feet is helping the birds to swim in the water, and it acts as oar. Oar means what? Like the thing used to push the water in a boat. Likewise, the birds are swimming in the water with the help of this webbed feet. Let us watch a video how the swimming birds are swimming in water.